What's up, brothers? Welcome to
our YouTube channel.
my channel.
So today we are going what? Where we're going to do?
To a volcano.
Okay, a
Outside, of
snowcano.
course. Volcano.
Alright, so we will do it. So what do we need?
We need Mama, buckets
We need snow and a bucket,
and
baking soda,
cups.
cups
And there's a spoon right here.
to mix.
And the oil.
Right, so let's help Papa. Okay. Ito na naman yung
The other bowl.
quit.
Oh, what you doing? Mama,
Yeah.
it's okay.
Yes. Putting. We're making two, one for Rianel and one for Raymer.
And one with soap and one with
True.
Makatama ka.
I'm done too.
Sabi sa makatama ka eh.
Okay, sorry.
What are you doing, Raymer? Ransel? What? What's snow? Isa walang magawa, oh.
I always be careful with everything. Oh,
Really?
Oh, really? How come when you get
Okay, can you put it down?
You broke.
Can you? No, thank you. Can you put it down?
Rimer.
Thank you.
Even the snow. He's going to put music on.
Yeah, this is how you make volcano.
I'm helping Papa's. And I make myself. Now let's go. Snowball.
Sexy talaga. Lagi pakita ng puwet.
I'm a volcano. Wait, look, I'm a volcano.
Oh, oh, sus happy. Oh, sure.
Nailed it.
Raymer, don't put it. Don't take it off.
Ay! Rimer, you wanna do this or what? Oh, my man.
Did you eat snow, Ransel? Car.
Careful, babe.
Oh no!
Oh, you okay? Okay, I think this one is good. Okay guys, I'll let you mix it. Come here, I'll show you how to mix it. Let's go, come.
Okay, Mama.
Oh,
Hey. These pants are My name's Raymer, guys.
Alright. So here, what we
Sorry.
gonna do?
I'm going to.
okay.
So it,
So ice. It's for the volcano is hot.
But it's a snowcano.
volcano, vinegar.
Smells good, right? Like your kilikili.
Oh, how come it's my killer? Erase that part.
Why? Everybody should know it.
Smell niya rin. Are you smelling it, boy? Huh?
Papa? Smell like Papa?
What color would you like your now? What color you like for your you choose
Red.
Step.
Mama.
You choose color.
It's
So you put, so
neon.
next step guys, you put this one here.
Baking soda. Ransel, come here.
Oh. Can you open those?
Ito, nalasahan ko, abisa.
No!
Snow!
You pick. I will pick from neon, and you pick from.
What color you like, Kramer?
Okay, I'll help you, boy. I'll help you.
Ano kulay?
Oh, pang hair. Oh, galing mo. Oh, so strong.
No, isa lang. Isang kulay lang.
Red.
That's a pink, I guess.
It's red.
Okay.
Mama, I want
red?
this. I want mixed colors. It's red. Oh, I want both of these. I want here. Can you have both of this? Try
Isa
for
lang.
this.
Isa lang. Hindi magano. Ito lang, oh, maganda.
I want mix.
So this one is yours, ate.
Mama. No, try if it's red. Try if it's red. No, I want yellow. I
Yes.
want yellow.
Hindi mo kita.
I want yes, it's red. Yes. I want green. It's red. I want green. Can you?
You want green?
I want green.
Then you put some there in your yellow bucket. You put some there.
Okay. You don't put snow. How much trips?
It's up to you.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Ah, dances!
I did 6. Ew.
Oh, that smells good, baby. Don't
Yeah,
touch it.
put
It's not a.
water.
It's not a water.
Then you put water into your bucket.
Yeah.
Put some in your bucket.
Oh, oh.
You want this one? You want, right? You give it to me.
No.
It's okay. You put green on your bucket then.
Yeah, I put green there. It doesn't matter.
Can you open here it? No.
Okay.
Can you open it? What a green.
Nice.
I mean red.
Let's do this. Let's do
Can I
this.
mix it?
No, not yet. Not yet.
Not that.
Not yet. Not yet.
Let's put this one, guys. Here. The one's green. Well, the more color, the better. Lagayan pa yung tulay na natin. More color.
The color the better.
Don't touch it, Raymer.
Guys, can put so.
And then mix
Get
it.
bubbly.
Ah! Me first. Me.
Okay, mix it.
Mix it up. Mix.
Ransel, come here.
You wanna mix?
Ano sila kami, bebe? No, don't go there.
Sinausawan niya nga eh.
Yeah.
Oo.
I'm gonna mix.
Ooh, what color is that?
Red.
Ooh, yum. Hmm.
Can you get another spoon?
Ate is almost done. Okay, ready, ate? Let's see if it will explode. Okay, ate, bigyan mo kay Raymer yung spoon.
More
Ah.
like strawberries.
Uh-huh. Okay, Raymer, go. Your turn.
You can eat now.
No, ate, wait for Raymer, ah.
Can you help me mix?
Yeah. You're doing right, doing good. Doing good, man.
Mama.
What color do you have, Raymer?
Purple.
Purple.
Yeah.
Yeah. Purple.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Wait lang there.
Galing maglagay ng gloves niyo. Raymer,
Wait lang na.
yan na, let's go together. That's how you do it.
My turn.
Everybody do it. Okay.
It's still here.
Okay, yours, your turn.
It's not really purple.
There you go, ate. Good job. Look at yours. It's good.
Yeah.
Oh, see?
Oh, look at Ransel.
See, ate's nice.
Oh my god!
See, because ate's listening.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, she waited, right? Yeah, I put more there. So
Yours is bubbles. Look at that.
ate's better than humor, I guess. Put more.
Can you put more in mine too? Raymond's bubble.
Aww.
Yeah, because you don't listen to him.
Look at that.
You just listen to Papa.
Get your spoon. At pa yung spoon nga niya.
Wow.
Ano mo, pupuro yung isa, oh. Oh.
Look at Raymer.
It's okay. At least you try it, right?
Yeah.
So, what can you say?
It's cool. It's cool, but I want to pull my hand.
No.
It's disgusting. Wait, there's the snow. Yes, you can put more snow. Boom.
Lava.
I love you.
You do this to your kids too.
Ay, Raymer! Yummy!
Look at mine.
Oh, wala na.
You now smell your hand.
Ew.
Yummy! So thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like it and do this at home with your parents, of course. Okay, bye. Say bye, guys.
Bye! Subscribe! Oh my god, it accidentally.
Alam yun?
Video pa?
Oo. No, Raymer!
Raymer, stop, baby.
Now you can